Alright, hello guys, welcome back to this channel. I want to quickly reserve a company and I want you guys to work with me as I do that right now. You know what you do, you just come to name reservation, click on new reservation, select the business classification, company, private, limited by share, and then click on continue. Before you have gone through this stage, don't forget you would have created an account with corporate affairs commission, which is either an individual account or you are an accredited agent. Whatever the account is, the platform is all the same. Once you do that, you need to impute the details of the business. I'm inputting the details of the company. It's into agricultural activities, and let's wait for the specific nature of business to load up. Let's put crop and related activities, and then let's check for the availability of this particular name if it's going to be available. Okay, the business Royal Farmers Limited did not pass the compliance test. Religious connotation. Religion. Royal. Wow. Royal. So one of the things I always do is that, okay, so let me check the availability again so that you will see what I'm going to do to see how to fix them. Though this is what I teach in an advanced class, but there's a way we can use AI to be able to come up with a better name that would go through. I've used this severally over the time of this period, and if you want the proper training on how to program your ChatGPT to be able to do that, just a 5k to get access to the video guide that will walk you through how you can come up with names, creative names that would go through. So for this one now, I'll work on the name now, and I'll let you will see what it will come up with. So this is my name generator, AI. So this is the company. All I need to do is put in the company and then ask it to search for it. It's thinking, it's checking for the availability of the name. Okay, so after doing that, now this is what it came up with. Look at the names came up with prestige and everything. See, so the names it's coming up with is Royal Farmer Bakery Company Limited, Royal Farmer. So, okay, this is an option if the business, because I was supposed to specify the function of the business. So let me do that specifically. So I'll tell it Royal Farmer Limited, agriculture, agriculture, uh, business, business. Okay, so let's search again, and you see what's going to do as well. So look at the name option it came up with. It gave me five options. Royal Pharma Nigeria Limited. Let's see if that will go. So instead of you trying to rack your brain without getting something tangible coming off, I've used this severally to generate names that didn't give me issues. So let's wait for it to load. This is internal error business name check field. Okay, it's saying that it had religious connotation. So let's copy this now. So I'll still put that particular query to the AI, and let's see what it's come up with. So after inputting that to the AI, you see, let's look at the options it's coming up with. Let's search for that option now. Let's update the name. So this AI will help you to get exact names that you want. Even things you cannot, just think of ordinarily, right? Imagine me starting to think of, okay, why is it not showing? Okay, look at another reason now. The business crown feed did not pass. Okay, reason business name too similar. The crown feed farms. Okay, so let's update again. We check. Don't forget it gave us different option. Noble root. You can see that this is an agricultural relatable name, right? Noble Root Agriculture Limited. You see, this one is available. So I'll send this to my client to confirm. You see that? So you won't have to stress yourself because of the AI is giving you issue or anything. You can do this for business name, do this for company, whichever one you are doing. So there's a way I have programmed this AI to do that. You cannot just get what I'm getting this way. I've programmed the AI. So the the link, you just need to click on the link below to get access to the course, right? It's a just maybe 30-minute video that you're going to watch. You see how you program your ChatGPT. It's free of charge. That means the AI access is free of charge. So once you can learn how to program your AI, it will start giving you outstanding results, suggestion of names, that it will check it on CAC portals, right? And then you will not even have, in the next 2 3 minutes you'll be able to have verified a name or reserved a name successfully without any issue. So if you need access to the course, just go to the description below and you will see the link to seller account. Once you get access to the once you make the payment, you'll be redirected to the video. You watch the video and you have a knowledge that you need, right? So how to use AI to reserve a name. So now they are, don't forget, since is using AI now. Right now, you can now use AI as well to suggest names that will not be conflicting. So AI to AI, there will be a proper handshake. There will be a proper handshake, right? So the cost is just 5,000 naira. But now this is what I will do for the first 50 people that will get access. I'll give it for 3,000 naira for the first 50 people. I understand, right? For the first 50 people, I'll give it for 3,000 naira. So once I'm able to reach 50 people, I'll change the price to back to 5,000 naira, and I will, after like maybe 30 days, I will remove it. You no longer get access to the course. So for those that are watching this later on, they might not be able to get access to the course again. If I decide to remove it, I will now add it to my course and increase the price thereafter, right? So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.